Hey guys, my unboxing of Versace. I know the box looks fucking fucked up, but hey, what can you do? Yay! I'm excited! You don't know, 2 years, almost 2 years. And dun 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 dun. With the logo on the toppy tippy top. I can't. Shit! There you go. And they're gray. They're not the clear ones, but they are gray but clear, black clear. Okay, but they do get super duper dark. I am excited, my baby, my babies, my baby. I could see clearly now the rain in the sky. Hey, 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 you guys! I could see. Finally, we got some clarity up in this bed. I'm so excited. You don't know how long I've been dying, darling, to get me my glasses. And I have a new pair coming up too. What's that? Alright, we gonna do it. We gonna do it right. We gonna do it. I'm excited. Listen, periodically I've been trying to get these bad boys, but when you love somebody and when they want something, you give it to them. Mm. You just must if you love that somebody. Boop boop. Attention. Peace.